Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kim, and today's video is covering some of the things I've been loving in January. I started reading Girl Boss by Sophia Amoruso. I'm not finished it, but it's definitely given me a new year boost of motivation. I'm still into candles. These are all from Bath & Body Works. My favorite scent at the moment are Mineral Springs and Woodland. This next favorite is not really a thing, but a time of day. I work full-time Monday through Friday. I leave the house before the sun is up and I get home and it's dark out. So I've really been loving and enjoying my lazy Saturdays where I can just take my time and mosey around. This next favorite has been the serum by Decimans brand, The Ordinary. It's the niacinamide, I think that's how you say it, and zinc one. I use this morning and night and has really improved the texture of my skin and stopped me from really having breakouts. Next up is MAC Strobe Cream. I've been using this under my foundation for a nice youthful glow. For foundation, I've been using Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Foundation. I can use either shade 410 or 420. This is 410. Another favorite from Fenty Beauty has been this highlighter stick, which I have in the shade Rum. I love the packaging, how the color just blends into the foundation, and how fail-proof it is. You can really pack this on and still not look like it's overdone. Lastly, from Fenty Beauty is, of course, Gloss Bomb. It's not sticky and it lasts for a good minute. For breakfast, I've been loving oatmeal with raisins, cinnamon, nutmeg, and brown sugar. I just add hot water and stir. I've also been taking this to work. I put all the dry ingredients into a Ziploc bag and add it to water later. A show that I have been binge watching this month has been Underground on Hulu. It's about the Underground Railroad and how some of the slaves escaped to freedom. It's only 2 seasons. The first was amazing. The second one, not so much, but I still do recommend. I needed more space for my clothes, so I bought another clothing rack. This is 2 separate racks side by side from IKEA, which only cost $13 each. I've been really into wearing athletic wear, especially matching sets. I have definitely not been sticking to my gym plan, but these clothes have been still cozy to wear whenever. A huge favorite this month has been my new car. I've gone through so much car trouble toward the end of last year, including it breaking down, locking gears, actually buying a new car, and having it totaled 3 weeks later. This XUV has definitely been something I'm grateful for. My favorite feature is the sunroof. My last favorite for this month has been this song, Better Man by Party Next Door featuring Rick Ross. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below some of the stuff that you guys been liking in the month of January. I would love to read about it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.
Stay still.
I'm gonna be moving.
Oh. Cut. Timing is everything. I even see you cry,